So welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are fixing the dolly for the backhoe of the BX23s. I had put too much strain on one of the wheels when I was taking it off. When I was
Shopman.
I put too much strain on one of the wheels, and I don't know if you can see that, but the axle of the dolly wheel has split. So this was not the right wheel to be using for that. So I have since purchased new dolly wheels. They're a bit more heavy duty, and we're going to see how these work. So Aiden was just grinding off the old one that was broken and cleaning it up. So we're going to weld these on again. It just makes more sense to weld these because it's really quick, 3 little pops with the welder, and this will be right here. Instead of trying to come up with a plate system to use screws and trying to drill through this, we're just going to re-weld these on here. And if we have problems in another couple of years, we can just replace the dollies again. So now that Aiden's done that, we will tack these on and then go eat. And that's because we're going to be taking the backhoe off, and I want to put it on the dolly. So we'll be doing that after we do this. All right, so that's where we're going to put it. We're also going to use the ground clamp as the clamp to hold the wheel on, while Aiden fills in where you normally put a nut and bolt. So that's what we'll do now.
Turn it up. You want some heat in this. This time we have wires, so hopefully we won't be running out. And we're ready to go. I think this time around we're using 0.30.
It's covered up. It's covered up.
You're on film.
Hi.
What were you just doing? What were you just doing? Alright. Let's do this. Awesome. Done.
All right, that's it. They're now plug welded instead of using bolts.
Sweet.
Yeah, let's put them down and test it real quick.
Cool.
Here we go. So the next step is we will be bringing the BX23s in and offloading the backhoe. And we'll be doing that shortly. What's wrong? The clamps are jammed. Oh, there you go. We're just a bit tight. Okay. Ah, got it. All right, so I missed a step. I should have released the pressure on those pins by putting the bucket down first. When we pried open that safety block, the bucket fell.
So it's not the articulation of these, it's actually the bucket on the clamps. That's good to know.
So I've just released the pressure, and now look how easy it is.
Wait, go again. It's this block. Alright, so walk them through what just happened.
Okay.
Now it's quiet.
So the issue was that I missed a step and I didn't put the backhoe, I didn't release the pressure off the pins by lowering the backhoe to bring up where these pins connect.
So he's talking about these
in
pins
here.
are locked in there with this block, and removing this block was too tight on the lever because we forgot to release pressure on the backhoe itself. Instead of these arms, we were trying to articulate everything here, but we should have bumped the backhoe a little bit, and that would have allowed us to take those pins out without prying.
That's right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start up the tractor. I'm going to raise the two arms. I'm going to raise the two stabilizer arms, and then I'll make my disconnections. So now that that's done, I'm going to release the pressure that are in these so I can remove the lines and connect them again. There we go.
Did you just loop that one?
Yeah, so this is your return line. You have to always make your connection back so the fluid in your HST has somewhere to go. So now that we've done that, we can roll our backhoe.
Rolls nice with the new wheels.
Really works well with the new wheels.
No more flat spots.
So thanks very much. I'll spend some time to clean this up. I'm also going to put a strap between the two outriggers, and that will stop them from leaking down over the winter. and possibly damaging stuff. So thanks very much for watching. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.